Okay, I'm standing out here in front of Ameritech pressure washing, as you can see. And let's go in here. They got some deals for you guys just starting out. You can get a 4-gallon-a-minute machine with a cat pump, gear driven, and you get a free hammerhead surface cleaner in May Madness. Go ahead and read that right there. Can't beat that with a stick. And we got a full line of chemicals here. Just go ahead and scan by.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Graffiti remover, concrete stain, gutter streaks, rust power, super clean. There's the sticky icky. Lemon. This is my favorite, the pine. This is one of the best for rust removal and aluminum brightener. Then we come over here to the car. Wash and wax, foam cannon soap, glass cleaner concentrate,
Second to top shelf.
max gloss.
Yep.
Super cherry wash, rapid wax. This is a good wax right here. They're all good. Foam cannons, all kinds of supplies. It's your one-stop shop, Ameritech pressure washing. Plenty of machines. Array of assortment of surface cleaners, hot water units. Now here's the blue hose. Okay, let's take a look at the blue hose. This stuff lasts for a long, long time. It's pressure flex. You gotta get you some. Ameritech will ship just about anything as long as it doesn't have acid in it. They'll ship it out to you. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Remember, get after it.
Grease right here, so it looks like you have the perfect unibrow right now. Yeah, look into the camera, look at the fucking unibrow.
See what happens when you're a dumbass and you let it run out of water? Or you have a unibrow. Man. It's gonna cost me.
The middle one's the bad one.
Check your water pressure. That's a contractor tip. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4.3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay. And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8-gallon minute by now, so
Well, you might want to get some more power, dog.
get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So now, Don, it wasn't your valves bad, it was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically we should use these valves probably. Or you could.
No.
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 We should keep them in for backup.
Time
They're
is
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-something an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll be in trouble on YouTube.
Got to put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, everyone. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this guy, man. He's gonna get after it.
Get after it, honks and he pointed forward.
It's an automatic. Sounds like it's taking a crap. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it! All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it!